it's not just the Northeast that could see more winter weather.
Yeah, let's get straight to Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna to talk about North Alabama's chances for even more snow.
Yeah, well, the good news is that at least for today, that snow is not in the forecast. And we've gotten a little bit of a break from the frigid air. Temperatures right now right around the 50-degree mark on the Way 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. You will see why. That's a lot of sunshine all across the area. We are at 49 degrees indicator, 50 degrees in Huntsville and in Muscle Shoals. But the clouds are off in the distance there. The clouds will start moving in as the night goes on. Wednesday is kind of the transition day between a fairly quiet weather day today and something that's much more active by Thursday. And that's when that chance for a few snowflakes is back in the forecast. There's a lot of uncertainty with that aspect of the forecast. I'll explain it more in just a second, but this is what we've got on the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. Not showing anything right now, as you would expect with all of that sunshine. So let's go through our forecast temperatures here through the rest of this afternoon into this evening into the first part of tonight. This is now 10 o'clock. It does get cold, but we're not talking teens or 20s tonight. Temperatures down close to 40 for many spots here, 35 in Muscle Shoals by 10, 39 in Huntsville, 38 in Fort Payne. And then as the night goes on, yes, we're dropping into the mid-30s, some of us as cold as closer to the freezing mark, 34 degrees by 6 o'clock Wednesday in Huntsville, 36 in Fort Payne, 34 in Muscle Shoals. And as we get into the afternoon, we are back close to 50, much like today. The difference between today's forecast and tomorrow's forecast is going to be noticeable to you will be that increase in cloud cover, 48 degrees in Huntsville by 3, same thing in Muscle Shoals and in Fort Payne, 49 in Gunnersville. So from start to finish tomorrow, here's what we've got. Mid-30s in the morning, more cloud cover than sunshine, 49 degrees by 4 o'clock. So peak of daytime heating, again, we do make it close to about 50, much closer to average again for this time of year. As we go through the rest of tonight into tomorrow on future radar, it is pretty quiet. Here comes the clouds that I was just telling you about, and this is that gray start to the day tomorrow. As we go through the rest of the day, no change with that. A few sun breaks here and there, that's in the cards, but it's not going to be a clear blue sunny day. Through Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when things start to change for us, and this is where a lot of uncertainty lies in this forecast, is how are we going to see this precipitation moving in? Does it start as a rain-snow mix? Does it start as exclusively snow? Does this transition over to exclusively rain by the afternoon? And I got to tell you that every data source that I'm looking at has a little bit of a different outcome here with Thursday's forecast. But I think that what we're looking at here is pretty plausible, and that's we start with a little bit of rain-snow mix. Most locations transition over to a very cold rain. This is 11 o'clock Thursday with some snow right along the Tennessee-Alabama line. Then as we continue through the rest of the day, all of this is going to be pulling out pretty quickly. So the best chance at any accumulating snow whatsoever is going to be across our northern counties along the Tennessee-Alabama line. And as far as accumulations go, this is a very rough estimate early in the game, but up to an inch of snow possible across our northern counties up into southern middle Tennessee. And if we see any accumulation at all north of the river, we're looking at up to half an inch of snow. Look at the low temperatures though, because I think the bigger headline with this, once we get this next system out of the way with the moisture, is the cold that settles in. We are down into the mid-teens Friday morning, and then we see some improvements by the weekend, but the rain is back by the weekend too. You get one nice day on Saturday, a decent day, 52 degrees. 16, remember, I got to say that again, Friday morning, coldest air of the season so far, and highs Friday afternoon. They are struggling to hit the upper 30s.